What is up, guys? I am here to tell you about literally the best wedding band ever. It's called the Stealth. It's made out of pure carbon fiber. It's super light, and you know what? Just don't even take my word for it. Listen to what these guys have to say.
So I'm wearing the Stealth right now, and the Stealth is pretty much the all-around ultimate ring for me.
Thing is like a carbon fiber. Honestly, I forget it's on my hand because of how light it is.
Super lightweight, super durable, scratch resistant.
It does not wear and tear.
I work out with this ring every single day, and it goes through use and abuse, and it still looks perfect. It's literally like scratch resistant, scratch proof. It just absorbs all the scratches. It's freaking awesome. Watch this. All right, if you're still not convinced, we took this ring off and we ran over it with a 4,000-pound car, and it survived.
So I've had hundreds of other rings from other companies. I've spent 500 bucks on a ring. I've spent 10 bucks on a ring. Absolutely, without a doubt, this is the best ring I've ever had.